Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We're going to release the hood right by this footrest. Grab the lever right there and pull it out. Now we're going to pull up on the hood. The release is right here. Just push that up. Release the hood. Then you can grab the prop rod right here. Pull it up. And stick it right there. This is your power steering reservoir. You may find that when you're steering the vehicle back and forth, there may be some noise or some sensation. This could be an indicator that your power steering fluid level is low. That would be caused by a steering leak. To get by, you can top off your power steering fluid, and that would get you to the repair shop. As you can see on the side here, there is an indicator where it shows the upper level of power steering fluid and the lower level, so you want it somewhere in between there. Towards the upper would be better. To add fluid, you just grab this cap, just pull it back and forth, and it pulls up. You can use a funnel and add, you want to use genuine Honda power steering fluid. And when you're topped off, you put the cap back on, just push it down. To close the hood, we're going to pull the prop rod out, put it back in its holder, and drop the hood.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.